Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the upgraded Rotary Tool by TECCPO. Woo! 10,000 up to 40,000 rounds per minute. This is really nice because of the 6 variable speed levels with 7 attachments. We have a universal keyless check and 120 accessories. This is ideal for crafting and of course do it yourself, and we are going to love DIY, isn't it? We have 7 attachments, 1 flex shaft, 1 universal keyless jack, 0.8mm to 3.2mm diameters, 1 time of hold hang stand, as you can see, and desktop folder, and 1 cutting guide, of course, and a sharpening guide too. That's a lot of additional parts. But back to the main machine. 200-watt powerful motor. Wow, that's awesome, because the powerful 200-watt motor increases the efficiency of the TECCPO Rotary Tool by 30% compared to conveniently Rotary tools out there. It allows us to finish the job quickly, save time, gain depth, simply increase power and efficiency, and make work easier, of course. We can sculpt, cut, polish, refine, drill, or simple smooth parts with this rotary drill. We have 6 rotation with adjustable speed levels, multi-use rotary tool with 6 speed mode, with 5+ maximum mode. The rotation speed is 40,000 rounds per minute maximum. We can freely adjust the rotation speed from 10,000 rounds per minute to 40,000 maximum power, which also depends on the content of the work and the type of the materials used for optimal pressing, whatever the application should work with. And we have a compact design and a keyless check. It's a flexible shaft for easier use in tight spaces, extendable particle rotary clamp holder. And this, I think, is the best thing, because you can attach this to this holding unit and you can work with the extension like a pen. You use it like a pen, and this is so nice to work with this awesome device here. Really, really nice. Protective cover is on board too, and we have a rotary clamp holder. This protective cover can help us from debris and sparks during cutting, grinding, sanding, etc. The ergonomically shaped soft rubber grip effectively reduces vibrations and gives us optimum control during operation. This makes our job easier, as you can see. The universal check is an ideal partner for the rotary tool when it needs accessory change, frequently wide acceptance from 1/32 inches to 1/8 inches. Shanks. That's a multifunction tool, really. It's really easy to use. It's ideal for a wide variety of applications. 100 high-performance accessories meets us different needs and offer more work possibilities. And it can be applied in any protection. It comes with a perfect carrying case that included a design place for each piece in the kit, and that keeps them safe, clean, organized, and easy to find, light and easy to carry. Oh, technology creates power. Cutting, sanding, engraving. This is a tool for everything. With 100 off-pieces accessories, makes it easy to create and cut and fun have DIY and craft works. And we have special features. The all-copper powerful upgraded engine. It provides 6 various speeds, 10,000 up to 40,000 RPM, 150% faster than other tools out there. Oh yeah. And we have a universal 3-jar check. Accepts accessory from 164 inches to a 18 inches check. Easy change accessory without tools. And with a flag shaft, it allows us to make our DIY project easier, like drawing a picture. And we have a hold hanger stand clamp for convenient and long time use. The protective shield is awesome to protect our body. And we have adjustable cutting guide, a cutting measurements. 1.8 AMP high performance copper motor. This well made durable rotary tool provides more power and delivers less heat than a regular rotary tool out there. Perfect for DIY crafted gift working in the garage, jewelry tools and equipment, model making, woodworking, metalworking, glassworking, and so many more. Because of the 6 variable speeds, we can adjust the speed level. By adjusting the speed, we can make delicate engravings, cutting, polishing, grinding, etc. And my best friend of this tool set is the Touchful Hold Hanger Stand Clamp. This is a flag shaft and extendable stand. It can be attached in seconds. Easy to reach the hard to reach places. It provides us more flexibility and comfort if we are using that device. Awesome, I told you. You can use, for example, you can use it for glass and metal cutting. They put in a cut-off wheel for wood and metal products and provides additional diamond cutting discs that could help users do the job quicker and more effective, especially for stone, ceramic, floor, tile. Kindly, we get the diamond disc wet to longer its working life and use the protective shield, of course, for safety while using it. Then we can use it for sharpening. The sharpening guide can be used in sharpening scissors and blades, for example. That is suitable for cutting at different depths and maintenance a good viewing angle and stability. And we can use it for engraving and drilling. 10 times high speed cutter for craft styling or repair on ceramics, tiles, bricks, glass, plastics, fiberglass, steel and wood. The flex shaft can be attached to a rotary tool in seconds. Easy to reach the hard to reach places. Although the pen design grip makes the feel easier to draw picture and engraving work. It provides our more flexibility and comfort while we are working. And of course, we can polishing and grinding with that. Aluminium oxide, grinding stone, and sanding band can be used at the grinding metal and removing rust in or on the metal itself. Oh, we can use cutting, sanding, polishing, unbuffing, engraving, drilling, all in that one device set. Awesome. It has an easy access power switch. Locate at the bottom of the tool to turn the tool on or off, of course. Then we can use the locking tool to easily rotate and replace the additional parts on the front. Okay, first step, we have to unplug the rotary tool. Then we have to press and hold the shaft lock and rotate the shaft with a provided collected wrench until the shaft lock engages the shaft, preventing further rotation. With the shaft lock engaged, use the collet wrench to loosen the collet nut, if necessary, of course. Remove the collet nut and old collet using collet wrench, if necessary only. Insert the unsoldered end of the new collet in the hole in the end of the tool shaft, and then tighten the collet nut with the collet wrench. Job's done. That's really easy to replace the collet, isn't it? Yes, it is. The same thing, nearly the same thing, is if we are going to install a new accessory. No? We have to unplug the rotary tool, and we have to press and hold the shaft lock button. Then we have to open it with the shaft lock button engaged, use the colored branch, blah 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 blah. It's the same process and it's so easy to replace. You can see here I'm showing you that in that video. It's really easy to remove and attach new accessories on it. If you're going to use this device, for example, polishing, grinding wheel, plastic is 15 to 22, steel 25 to 32, aluminium is 15 to 22, shallow stone is 50 to 22, ceramics 20 to 32. Okay, this is the speed, okay, of it. Diamond grinding needle you will use for ceramic and glass. The sanding band you can use for wood, soft or hard, plastic, steel, or aluminium too, stone and ceramic too. There is the speed level approximately from 10 to 30. If you like to drill a little bit, use the drill bits. For wood and plastic, you can use the drills. 25 up to 30. Or if you're using plastic, then you use a 15 speed. If you like to polish, use the wool felt wheel. You can polish steel, aluminium, stone, ceramic, and glass from 12 to approximately 17 speed. If you like to engrave, then use the engraving cutter. For wood, for plastic, speed level is 12 up to 35. If you like to clean stainless brush, you're going to use a stainless brush for it. You can clean wood, you can steel cleaning and aluminium with 10 up to 15 speed level. And if you like to cut something, use the cutter wheel for plastic, for steel, and for aluminium too. You can make it with stone too, no problem. For plastic, use 15 to 20 speed level, and the others 25 to 30. If you cut off wheel with fiberglass, you can use this for plastic, steel, aluminium, and stone. You can choose by your own. You can use a diamond cutting disc for stone and ceramic. The speed level is 25 to 30. And this is really awesome. The speed range is adjustable for all these materials, and you can use it easily, and it will make a good job with you. This is the awesome upgraded rotary tool by TECCPO. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.